Yo, check it. Hugelkultur. That's the bed that we're doing. This is another one because forgot to really videotape the other one last time. You know, different stages. But here you are now. Yeah, I'm very happy with this one. Like this is like next to my children. This is the best creation that I've ever done. Back it up widescreen. You can see the whole view of it. So you're probably wondering, yo, SEMATAWI, what the hell is that? It looks like crap. It just looks like a bunch of wood and stuff. That's exactly what it is. It's a whole bunch of crap that I'm gonna cover up. That's it. You know what I mean? You don't understand, but you see next scene. So yeah, first layer we got the wood, heavy wood, tree stumps. Did real good this time. And this time with the tree stumps, it wasn't just regular wood and 2x4 and shit like that. So yes, some are already partially starting to decay, you know, and layering it with some organic matter. This is some thorn bush and stuff like that. So putting that on top, I'm gonna fill in the spots, just showing you real quick, and I'll get to the rest after. All right, so we just finished right here. Just put some of the rose bushes. I didn't want to put too much in this one. I wanted this hugel bed to be more dense, and also we decided not to put any grass clippings in this type of stuff, or straw or whatever, because I don't want the seeds and stuff like that coming through. So this is going to be more of a dense bed. So on top here, we're going to mix it up with some wood chips, which is coming up. Well, you're here right now, so let me show you. So you just got some, actually, actually, come on. This is where we at with it. So we just got a nice order of cedar, and it smells great. Emily would tell you.
Yeah, essential oils, man.
Yeah. So we're using this and we're layering that on it and filling up the hose. We'll be right back again over there. Yeah.
I'm gonna get some more.
She getting some more. We're making this nice and quick for y'all today. All right. Be right back. Yeah. So I know you haven't seen how much, but we probably got a good 6-7 buckets of this. I don't know how much. How big is this? How many liters?
I don't remember if it's 50 or 100.
Yeah, so we put in loads. So I know y'all missing out, but yeah, this is probably our 3rd, 4th trip right now. So next. All right. So yeah, we done with putting the cedar in right now. Hold on. Yeah, so we done putting that wood chip mulch on top. I'm happy with it already. It looks great. So what's next? Emily's over here. She's getting the shit.
Wow, it's gone fluffier.
Yeah, nah, I poured water in it because it was getting too dry.
Oh.
So I poured water in it so keep the process. So yeah, this is where we at with it. All right. So she got that going on. And yeah, so while she's getting that, I'm gonna be getting a few loads of this compost that we made from, you know, combination organic matter, fertilizer, you know, manure, all the good stuff. Kitchen scraps, stuff that we have here. This is what it looks like now. It used to be filled up, but all of this is very nutritious stuff that we made. literally made on soil. Stuff is growing in it because it's just been out here. But there's tons of worms in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up probably a whole bucket of this. And this is 50 liter. This is a 50 liter thing. So I'm gonna load this up and we'll be back to the next stage. All right. Yep. So this is the compost right here. Getting that done up. Still using all that. We'll finish it up. And this is the manure. Lovely, lovely, lovely. All right. Let's see what it looks like.
Our very own compost. With undesirable matter in it.
Yep. All right, she just finished. Put some of that real great rich compost in there. Just speck it around. We still going. I'm gonna take over. Hold up. Switch. This is where we at. It doesn't smell like nothing. A lot of you people think, oh, how could they deal with shit? It doesn't smell like nothing. Like this is like just organic
in fact,
material.
like I'm not even scared to put my hands in it.
Well, I'm not even using gloves. This is great. So, we go. Bring them right down into it. I want them to stay right with where my hands are going. Yeah, all right. Fill some in the pockets. Boom, 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 boom. Leave some on top there. So yeah, any foxes that try to come in this, they're gonna get stabbed the fuck up, you know, with these thorn bushes in here. We're not playing games with this bed here. Yeah, trust me, I haven't talked about all the stuff we went through on the other bed, but yeah, this is definitely a big improvement, and I watch a lot of YouTube videos on this type of stuff, and our experience as well. And this is a level. This is a level up. I already put in particular structures here to help with particular growing. You know what I mean? Growing structures already in there. But yeah, it's great. It's gonna add to the whole formation of it. So you don't have to force anything in there. It's already embedded in there. Yeah. So this is what we're using. Got this farmland manure. You know, it's great. It's a great mixture. Great mixture. Got put onto it recently. Someone else on the plot. Shout out to Edgar. You know, they use something similar, but it's a mixture of like wood chips and manure. It's real decomposed wood chips already. So I like this one. This one is great. And mixing it with topsoil, learning a lot about the type of soil as well. And this topsoil really allows us to maintain, to hold more moisture, because before we were focused on like drainage, and I think we focused on drainage too much, where the soil that we were making, like it was just the water was running through, it wasn't holding on to it. So this bed, want this Hugelkultur bed to be more dense and really retain the water. So at the bottom of this, there's layers upon layers of cardboard, you know, and did add the border around here to try to help with that as well. Help with the structure, help with some of the retention of the water, and just keeping everything inside the bed. So the more you do it, the better you get. Everyone gets, every time it gets better. All right. So far, that's what we got going on. I'm straining some of this other soil. Just taking out a lot of the rocks and other debris that we don't want in there. Yeah. All right, so coming to the end of the process right here. Yeah, probably about another 20-30 minutes later, put loads of the topping that you saw, from the farmland manure to the regular topsoil. So what I like to do is put water on it, and what that allows to happen is any of the pockets, if there's any pockets left over that we may have missed, you know, the mud goes into those pockets and just closes those pockets all together. So we're gonna keep on doing that. Keep on doing that for now. Finish up the water, and then I'm gonna just leave that for about 2-3 days. Let that just settle. Let that settle. Come again. Put like another topping on it, and that's done. So that's where we at with it. So watch me water. Yeah. So we are 28 days later. It's been quite an eventful time. So what has been done since then to the Hugelkultur bed? Probably about 300 liters of a combination of homemade compost, store-bought compost, and yeah, that's about it. Just those two, and I guess plant some organic matter, green matter, from the clippings that we have here has been added, and a bed piece, a backing has been added as well, so I could put all this additional soil on it. I wanted to make this bed more dense than the first one, but here we go. 28 days later. Yeah, that's what it looks like. It's all happening. Let me give a bigger view. So this is the back piece that I said put on. Added some vertical growing structures, bamboo piece, and it's tied to all the different things. So what's going on in here? Tons of stuff is growing. Everything from zucchini, pumpkin, spaghetti squash, onions, wild thyme, runner beans. It's back here. Some kidney beans, spaghetti squash. There's coriander, peanuts. There's a line of peanuts going through. What else? Oh, yeah, see, broccoli back there. Some kale is back there. And Portuguese cabbage right here. Yeah, it's all happening. See, good thanks. This is the second attempt, second bed. Let me go ahead and show you the first one. Just real quick. I just opened this up today. Let's see the first bed. Yeah, probably about like a month and a half or a month. Yeah, I'll say a month and a half difference. So you see this is way ahead. So tons. See, some lovely spinach right there. It's all on. I'm not even gonna stop and talk about it. But you see the whole thing is covered. A range of different things all around. There's not one spot where things are not flourishing. Yeah, folks. So that's me. You know, hopefully this video has inspired you to do your own thing, step outside your box, you know, watch YouTube videos and all these different things. And I learn all the time, from the great achievements, you know, to people's failures. And I just adjusted it in what I do. But I'm out here actually experiencing. No matter what someone else does, it's not your truth. You got to experience things for yourself. All right? It's up.